Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in.
Do you want to get logged in IndusInd Bank? Just watch this entire video in order to get logged in that bank, because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is really simple. You just need to open your browser and search for the keyword IndusInd Bank login. Let me show you how you can do it practically. So go to your search bar of browser and type IndusInd Bank login. And after the search, you will see many search results related to IndusInd Bank. Click on the login to IndusInd online banking, and here is the search result of the link. Continue it. After that, you are now redirected to the login form of IndusInd Bank. Here you have to fill up the username, password and all the credentials in order to sign in to the bank. Make sure you have put on the correct credentials. You can leave it as it is and simply click on the sign in button, and if all the credentials are correct, you'll be logged in this bank.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.